Hi guys, in this tutorial I would like to speak about how to work in Python with files. It means open file, close file, read file, write to the file, and so on and so on. So first thing first, I need a Visual Studio Code here and I have an empty folder here. It's completely empty, I just take it and put it here, and it means that I open this folder here in Visual Studio Code. I just do it like this, zoom it a little bit, and I will create a main.py, and we are ready to go. So the first thing first, we need some file, okay? So at first I would like to start with text files. They are very simple. So here will be like example.txt, and I will write here my name is David, for example. Okay, so we have a text file, we have something here, something in English, perfect. And now I would like to open the file. So how I can open the file? It's very simple. I will create a variable called file, for example, but the name it's up to you, and I will call open. And I need to know, and I need to write here which file I need to open. So I would like to open example.txt. So I will write here example.txt. Perfect. Now I need to say what I need to do, what I want to do with the file. So I would like to write there something, read from the file, what? So in this time I would like to read, okay? So I would like to read the content of this file. So now I have opened this file and read it. Perfect. So now everything it's this file is here in the file variable. So and now I would like to read the content. So read the entire content of the file. So how can I read it? It's very simple as well. So I will do it like this. So I will create a variable, for example, content. I take a file, which I open it, file, and we have a read method here. So I would like to read the content from the file, which I opened. Okay, content. So now I'm curious what is in content. So print the content. So I will just call print, and here will be the variable content, and I would like to know what's inside. Okay, my name is David. It's correct because here we have my name is David. Great. I think it works perfectly. So now it's a very important thing, guys. If you open it, you need to close it as well. So don't forget to close it. So always close the file after working with it. Okay, so file.close. Great. So now if I will run it, I will open it, read the content, print the content, close the file. Great. Everything works fine.